All right, we've got Onward, How Starbucks Fought for Its Life Without Losing Its Soul by Howard Schultz. And I thought this book was extremely interesting. I think I read it, I want to say like 7, 8 years ago, and extremely interesting. I'm a big Starbucks fan. Um, and I especially, there's I know a lot of people who are just like anti-corporate, and they're just like, no, you have to go to like the small mom and pop coffee shops, and I do like the mom and pop coffee shops too, but it's just interesting how massive Starbucks got, and it was very interesting to read about the history, very interesting to read about the struggles that Starbucks faced at various points, and the out of the box thinking that Howard Schultz has done to keep the company on top. And yeah, it's also like I love their coffee, so I'm like, I want to read about the company. So I drink their coffee every day, even the coffee that I drink at home, it's Starbucks coffee. So yeah, no, I loved it. Highly recommend it.